Hey guys, it's Mia, and today I'm in West Virginia. I'm at my aunt's farm with all my family, and today I'm going to show you all the animals. This is Doobie, he's sleeping. This is Minnie. Hey Brian. Hey. Pork chop. Hey buddy. Now we're going on a four-wheeler.
Let's go. That's nice.
Are you crazy? Found it. We're going down to the barn.
White elephant.
Well, Roy has to do it.
I love it.
It's
that
fun.
is so creative.
It's
Okay,
fun.
and check it out, Jill. So on the back we have,
You could sell these.
so on the back, so like,
Oh, I don't have anything.
no, it's fun.
Yeah, well, we played the little one.
Yeah.
So these are yours, or you bought them?
Watch what you say. We're videotaping.
That one and this one are mine.
Oh, not the last one? No.
That one's mine. This
Are you
one's
being
mine.
afraid of them biting you or something?
Don't go behind a horse.
No, Sassy has a little bit stranger things.
Do some horses bite, right?
So, she likes you scratching her neck there, so that feels good.
They know what animal lovers.
I don't like cats, and you want to keep.
Pretty good.
This is Mitten.
my Sazon? She's a good girl.
This
Sazon.
fan works. So.
Yeah, they do on them on blood.
Hi.
They're gross. They get squirted off. That's the end of the year. They get squirted off at the beginning of the year.
He'll want it once. Oh, nah! I told you he'd want it now.
It's a donkey.
Well, whatever he is. All right.
Can I go this way?
I guess
Yeah.
they're gonna attack you.
You have such a setup up here, but you have such a setup up there. So, like, why do you have, I don't know.
Oh, this one likes me.
Don't be hugging.
I remember.
He's a fellow adventurer.
Are the only two that are allowed down here. All the girls have electric fence collars.
She should totally.
She would shovel shit.
That'd
She
be so
would.
great if she came here and stayed for a week. That'd be awesome. That's ridiculous.
I'm telling you,
She's a pro.
Oh my God.
Yeah, go ahead, do something.
Tell us when.
Yeah, see?
Wait, one more thing.
Right
It's a different bounce than probably you're used to.
It's probably worn out.
Okay, let's go.
Girl, Lilith.
Like a little horse.
You're a
big
good girl, Lilith. Look at her. She's so
I'm
fat right
hitting.
now.
Say goodbye, Mia.
horse. Bye.